In the depths of our minds lie powerful forces, unseen, yet incredibly influential. Imagine a world where your thoughts and feelings shape your reality without you even realizing it. What if the keys to unlocking your potential have been hiding in plain sight? Carl Jung, a pioneer of psychology, uncovered profound truths about the unconscious that can shift the course of your life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights that can elevate your life. Picture this. Every decision you make is influenced by layers of your unconscious mind. Have you ever wondered why you repeat certain patterns or struggle with specific challenges? Jung believed that understanding these hidden laws could lead to transformation. But what are these laws? And how can they change your life? As we dive deeper, consider this. What if the answers to your struggles are not in the external world, but within you? Each of the 12 laws holds a mirror to your soul, revealing insights that can propel you toward growth and fulfillment. Stay with us as we explore these concepts, unraveling the mysteries that lie beneath the surface. The journey ahead is not just about knowledge, it's about awakening the power within you. Are you ready to discover what lies beneath? Let's begin. The nature of the unconscious. The unconscious mind is often seen as a mysterious part of our psyche. It holds a vast collection of experiences, memories, and emotions that we might not be aware of at any given moment. Think of it as a storage room filled with everything that has ever impacted us, even if we don't consciously remember those events. This hidden layer of the mind can significantly influence our behaviors, decisions, and interactions with others. Many people are surprised to learn how much the unconscious shapes their daily lives. For instance, certain feelings or reactions might stem from past experiences that were buried deep in the mind. Understanding this aspect can lead to greater self-awareness. When we recognize that our unconscious is guiding us, we can start to unravel the complexities of our actions and emotions. Additionally, the unconscious works with symbols and archetypes that resonate across cultures and generations. These symbols can manifest in dreams, thoughts, or even spontaneous feelings. By exploring these symbols, one can gain insights into their personal journey and the shared human experience. In essence, the unconscious is not just a passive storehouse. It's an active force in shaping who we are. Acknowledging its presence allows us to tap into deeper layers of understanding about ourselves and the world around us. This journey into the unconscious can be both enlightening and transformative. By engaging with the unconscious, individuals often discover hidden aspects of their personality that they may not have recognized before. This process of exploration can be both challenging and rewarding, leading to a richer understanding of oneself. Dafurfad. Archetypes and their effects. Archetypes are powerful symbols that influence our lives in profound ways. Carl Jung identified several key archetypes, such as the hero, the shadow, and the anima, animus. Each of these represents different aspects of the human experience. For example, the hero embodies courage and the quest for self-discovery, while the shadow represents the darker, often repressed parts of our personality. These archetypes play a critical role in shaping our identities and relationships. When we identify with a particular archetype, we may find ourselves drawn to certain life paths or experiences. Understanding these influences can help us navigate our lives more consciously. For instance, recognizing the hero within can inspire someone to embrace challenges and pursue their dreams. Moreover, archetypes can also affect how we relate to others. The anima, animus, for instance, represents the feminine and masculine aspects within each of us. Balancing these elements can lead to healthier relationships and a greater sense of harmony. When we acknowledge and integrate these archetypal forces, we can foster deeper connections with others. Exploring archetypes can also reveal patterns in our behavior that we might have previously overlooked. By understanding these underlying forces, we can make more informed choices and break free from limiting patterns. This journey into the realm of archetypes can be both enlightening and empowering. Ultimately, archetypes serve as guides on our journey towards self-discovery. They help illuminate our paths and provide valuable insights into our motivations and desires. The process of individuation. Individuation is a vital process for anyone seeking personal growth. It refers to the journey of integrating various aspects of the self, both conscious and unconscious. This process is essential for achieving a sense of wholeness and authenticity. It encourages individuals to explore their inner worlds and confront parts of themselves they may have ignored. As one embarks on the path of individuation, self-reflection becomes crucial. It involves examining personal beliefs, behaviors, and feelings in a non-judgmental way. This exploration can lead to significant insights and a clearer understanding of one's identity. Recognizing both strengths and weaknesses allows for a more balanced view of oneself. Additionally, individuation involves understanding and integrating the shadow. By confronting the aspects of ourselves that we may find uncomfortable or undesirable, we can foster acceptance and growth. This acceptance is not about condoning negative behaviors, but rather acknowledging them as part of the human experience. The journey of individuation is not always easy. It can bring up fears, insecurities, and conflicting emotions. However, facing these challenges head-on often leads to a richer, more fulfilling life. As individuals progress on this path, they often experience a greater sense of purpose and direction. In the end, individuation is about becoming the fullest version of oneself. It encourages individuals to embrace their uniqueness while also recognizing their shared humanity. This journey can lead to profound self-discovery and a deeper connection to the world around us. Dreams as messengers of the unconscious. Dreams have always fascinated humanity. They are windows into our unconscious minds. When we sleep, our brain processes experiences and emotions, often using symbolism that can be puzzling but deeply revealing. By interpreting our dreams, we can uncover hidden conflicts and desires that we might not confront during our waking hours. This exploration can lead to significant insights into our emotional state and unresolved issues. For instance, if someone dreams of falling, it may reflect feelings of insecurity or fear of failure. Such dreams act as a direct line to our inner feelings, often highlighting areas in our lives that need attention. By paying close attention to these nocturnal narratives, we can begin to understand the underlying themes that shape our thoughts and behaviors. Moreover, keeping a dream journal can be a helpful practice. Writing down dreams soon after waking helps capture their nuances and details. Over time, patterns may emerge, offering further clarity about what our unconscious is trying to communicate. This process not only aids in self-discovery, but can also serve as a therapeutic tool for those looking to resolve internal conflicts. It's essential to approach dream interpretation with an open mind. Dreams often speak in metaphors and symbols, so a dream about a river might not be about water specifically, but could represent the flow of emotions. Engaging with dreams in this way encourages a deeper understanding of ourselves, making the unconscious more accessible. Ultimately, dreams serve as vital messengers, urging us to explore aspects of ourselves that we might overlook. By understanding their messages, we can move toward greater self-awareness and emotional balance. The shadow and the acceptance of the self. The concept of the shadow is essential in Jungian psychology. It represents the parts of ourselves that we repress or deny, traits we consider undesirable or socially unacceptable. Acknowledging the shadow is crucial for personal growth, as neglecting these aspects can lead to inner turmoil and conflict. Accepting the shadow means embracing our full selves, including the darker parts that we often hide. Confronting the shadow can be challenging. It requires us to face uncomfortable truths about our behaviors and motivations. However, this confrontation is vital. By integrating these shadow aspects, we can achieve a more authentic and balanced life. For instance, recognizing our jealousy or anger can help us understand their roots, allowing us to express these emotions healthily. Furthermore, integrating the shadow can lead to a more compassionate view of ourselves and others. When we accept our flaws, we become more empathetic towards the imperfections in others. This acceptance fosters healthier relationships and reduces judgment, both of ourselves and those around us. Engaging in self-reflection and therapy can facilitate this process. Activities like journaling or creative expression can help bring shadow elements to light, enabling us to explore them safely. By doing so, we can transform these hidden aspects into sources of strength and insight. Ultimately, embracing the shadow is a pathway to self-acceptance and authenticity. By integrating all parts of ourselves, we can lead richer, more fulfilling lives. Synchronicity and life connections. Synchronicity is a fascinating concept that suggests meaningful coincidences are not merely random, but reflect a deeper connection between the individual and the universe. This idea posits that events may align in ways that carry significance, often providing guidance or insight at crucial moments in our lives. Recognizing these patterns can help us navigate our paths with a sense of purpose. For example, encountering a symbol or a person repeatedly can signal that we should pay attention to what it represents. This could be a call to reflect on our current situation or choices. By being open to these synchronicities, we can gain a deeper understanding of our lives and their interconnectedness. Moreover, synchronicity encourages us to trust our intuition. When we notice these meaningful coincidences, it can reaffirm our decisions or inspire new ones. This trust in the universe's timing can lead to a more fulfilling life, as we become more attuned to the signs around us. The beauty of synchronicity lies in its subjectivity. Each individual experiences it differently. What may feel like a mere coincidence to one person might hold profound meaning for another. This personal connection adds richness to our experiences and encourages us to explore life's mysteries further. In essence, embracing synchronicity allows us to see the magic in everyday occurrences. It opens our eyes to the interconnectedness of all things and reminds us that we are part of a larger tapestry, woven together by shared experiences and meanings. The influence of the collective unconscious. Carl Jung proposed the fascinating idea of the collective unconscious, which is a shared reservoir of experiences and memories that all humans possess. This means that, beyond our individual experiences, there are universal themes and archetypes that connect us all. For instance, myths and legends from different cultures often share similar characters and storylines, reflecting common human experiences. This collective unconscious shapes not only personal identities, but also cultural narratives. In essence, the collective unconscious influences societal norms and values. It's like a vast library of human experience, filled with stories, emotions, and symbols that resonate across time and space. When we engage with art, literature, or even folklore, we tap into this unconscious layer. The themes might evoke feelings of familiarity or nostalgia, reminding us that we are not alone in our struggles or dreams. This shared consciousness fosters a sense of belonging and connection among people. Moreover, understanding the collective unconscious can help us make sense of our own lives. When we recognize that our feelings and experiences are part of a larger pattern, it can be comforting. This awareness may encourage us to explore our individual stories while acknowledging the universal struggles of humanity. By seeing ourselves as part of something bigger, we can find purpose and meaning in our personal journeys. Jung believed that the collective unconscious also plays a role in our psychological development. As we navigate life, we might encounter symbols and archetypes that resonate deeply within us. These symbols can guide our growth, helping us to identify and confront the challenges we face. By understanding these connections, we can better navigate our paths and make informed choices that align with our true selves. Finally, the collective unconscious invites us to explore our shared humanity. In times of crisis or change, we often witness a resurgence of these universal themes. Whether through movements for social justice or collective artistic expressions, the collective unconscious reminds us that we are all part of a larger narrative. Engaging with this concept can enrich our understanding of both ourselves and the world around us. Looper, the role of emotions and feelings. Emotions play a vital role in our lives, acting as bridges between our conscious thoughts and the deeper layers of our unconscious. They are not just reactions to external events, they are also expressions of our inner worlds. When we experience joy, sadness, anger, or fear, these feelings can reveal much about our unresolved conflicts and desires. By paying attention to our emotions, we can gain insights into our true selves. Working with emotions involves acknowledging and validating them, rather than suppressing or ignoring them. This process is essential for personal transformation. For example, when we allow ourselves to feel sadness, we may uncover underlying issues that need to be addressed. This acknowledgement can lead to healing and a deeper understanding of our emotional landscape. Emotions serve as valuable messengers, guiding us toward areas of our lives that require attention. Jung emphasized the importance of integrating our emotions into our conscious awareness. This integration is crucial for achieving a balanced psyche. When we embrace our feelings, we can learn to navigate them more effectively. Instead of being overwhelmed by negative emotions, we can develop healthier coping strategies. This shift allows us to respond to life's challenges with greater resilience and clarity. In addition, understanding our emotions can enhance our relationships. When we are in tune with our feelings, we can communicate more authentically with others. This authenticity fosters deeper connections and promotes empathy. By sharing our emotional experiences, we create a safe space for others to express themselves as well. This mutual understanding strengthens our bonds and cultivates a sense of community. Ultimately, engaging with our emotions is a pathway to self-discovery and growth. By recognizing and embracing our feelings, we unlock the door to our unconscious, revealing insights that can lead to profound transformation. This journey encourages us to live more authentically and to embrace the full spectrum of human experience. Practices for self-knowledge. Inspired by Jung's approach to self-knowledge, encourages us to explore various practices that can help us access and work with our unconscious. One popular method is art therapy, which allows individuals to express their emotions and thoughts through creative outlets. Whether it's painting, drawing, or sculpting, the creative process can unveil hidden aspects of our psyche. This form of expression often bypasses the analytical mind, enabling a deeper connection with our inner selves. Meditation is another powerful tool for self-discovery. Through mindfulness and focused breathing, we can quiet the mind and tune into our inner experiences. This practice cultivates awareness of our thoughts and emotions, allowing us to observe them without judgment. Over time, regular meditation can lead to profound insights about our motivations and desires, facilitating personal growth and healing. Journaling is yet another effective practice inspired by Jungian principles. Writing down our thoughts, dreams, and feelings can serve as a powerful mirror for our internal world. By reflecting on our experiences, we can identify recurring patterns and themes that may need attention. This practice encourages self-exploration and can lead to revelations that pave the way for transformation. Dream analysis, a significant aspect of Jung's work, is also a valuable practice for self-knowledge. By paying attention to our dreams and their symbols, we can tap into the messages of our unconscious. Keeping a dream journal allows us to document and reflect on our dreams, revealing insights about our desires, fears, and unresolved conflicts. This exploration can enhance our understanding of ourselves and guide us toward personal growth. Finally, engaging in reflective practices, such as deep contemplation or dialogue with a therapist, can further support our journey of self-discovery. These conversations can facilitate the exploration of our unconscious and help us make sense of our experiences. By combining various methods, we can create a holistic approach to self-knowledge, leading to a richer and more fulfilling life. As we wrap up our exploration of Jung's 12 laws of the unconscious, let's take a moment to reflect. Which of these laws resonated most with you? Did you uncover a truth about yourself that you didn't expect? Remember, these principles aren't just theories. They're tools you can use to shape your reality. Imagine applying these insights in your daily life. How might they change the way you perceive challenges, relationships, or even your own aspirations? Jung believed that understanding our unconscious could unlock our true potential. So, what's holding you back? Take a moment to jot down one law that stood out and think about how you can implement it this week. Can you visualize your goals differently? Can you embrace your shadows instead of hiding from them? And let's not forget the power of community. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What transformations are you hoping to see? Your journey could inspire others.